Good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, I am going to show you probably one of my favorite vehicles I've purchased for a long time. 1969 Ford Bronco. Now, I've been trying to buy some of these Broncos for a long time, and I've been trying to buy this particular Bronco for several years. The gentleman had this thing built and drove it and enjoyed it for several years. And I've been asking him if he'd sell it to me, and finally persistence paid off and I ended up getting it bought. Beautiful frame up build. This thing is frame up custom built truck. It's got a 347 stroker in it under the hood, 4-speed manual transmission, power steering and brakes, disc brakes on the front. Just an awesome Bronco. Silver in color with the black accented top, all tinted glass. Yes, the top is removable. Brand new tires, brand new wheels. Everything on this truck has been all redone. You can check out the frame, the springs, the shocks, the mounts. You can see all the bolts. Upgraded headlights, running lights, winch, 12,000-pound winch, aluminum radiator. You can tell they do a nice job on this. Look at the plug wires, how they put them in nice holders. It is fuel injected. It's got a Phytech on it and it works great. This truck has been ceramic coated. The paint on it is super slick. It's ready to go out and enjoy today and take to a car show this weekend. It really is, folks. This thing is super, 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 super nice. There's the undercarriage. Got a hitch on the back of it. Fuel tank, spare tire. All Corbeau seats in this thing, front and back. It's got speakers on both sides in the back, full roll bar, full bed coated floorboard in this truck, padded dash, tilt steering column, Dakota digital dash. See all the jams. They're all nicely painted as well. The paint on this thing is gorgeous. Got a couple little handprints here and there. I was gonna picture it yesterday and it sat outside all day, and I didn't get to it, so I had to put it inside. So it probably got a few little water spots or a few little marks on it that I didn't get wiped off. I apologize for that, but what a gorgeous truck. The paint, like I say, it's super slick. You can run your hands along this thing. Wow. Just gorgeous. I've had several people say, oh, you need to coyote swap it. But I'll tell you what, I like the 347. I like the naturally aspirated vehicles. Not carbureted, it's fuel injected, so that's good. Dakota digital dash, chrome tilt steering column. Wipers are even hooked up. I don't know if they're working. We'll see. Oh, look at that. They do work. Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450, www.kinionauto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars, all sorts of cool things every day. So if you're interested in buying this beautiful 69 Bronco, give us a call, or maybe one of the other vehicles we have in stock. I don't know why that turn signal isn't working. What's up front? It's not working back here. Or if you have a vehicle you'd like to sell, give us a call. We may be interested in purchasing your vehicle. So either way, give us a call. We'd love to talk to you about any car. Hope you all have a great afternoon. Appreciate you watching my video on this beautiful Bronco. Man, what a sweetheart of a truck, huh? Even the doors closed nice. I will have this thing priced yet today. Check out my website, kinionauto.com, K-I-N-I-O-N auto.com, 563-452-2450. I hope you have a great night. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.